Okay guys, on 4th of August 2022, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Plant Yard YouTube channel. So now you can see that we have a plant of kalanchoe tubiflora, or simply locally which is called as the chandelier plant. We can say that it is very much related to the kalanchoe diogenesis, okay? Kalanchoe diogenesis, which is also called as the mother of millions. Now we will try to propagate it from the stem cuttings. So we have taken our forceps, and you can see some of the babies, okay, on the top of the plant. So now we will take our cutting. Okay, now this is our first cutting. Okay, now this is our wounded part which I showed you. So now you can see this is our cutting, and we have to place it in the shade after cutting it out. Now we are cutting our second cutting. So this is our second cutting. Now you can see that. Okay, now we are removing the leaves. Okay, why it is so? Because we will insert the lower end of the plant into the media, okay, which is usually simple sand and soil mixture of 50-50%. Okay, now we are removing all the leaves, because when these leaves used to touch the soggy media, they used to rot, okay, and thus plant can be deteriorated entirely. So we have to remove all the lower leaves. And one more thing, that you can grow some baby plant from these leaves as well, okay. Okay, now place it in the shade, both of the cuttings. After 24 hours, that is 5 of August 2022. Now we have two pots, which are actually the simple glasses, the disposable soft drink glasses. Now on right hand side you can see, okay, now one more thing, that you can see the wounds, okay. Wound is the part from where we have made a cut, okay. So it must be healed, okay, and now it is a little bit dried out. Now you can see that we have media in one of the glass. On the right hand side, the media is just the clay, okay. It is not having, like, we can't say even that it is soil. It is not a good soil. On left hand side it is garden soil, simple garden soil with zero clay content, okay, not having so much clay. But on the right hand side, the media is clay type, okay, which is having a huge ability to like hold moisture, okay. But still, one more thing, that this kalanchoe plant is very much hardy, okay. It can grow even on rocks, even on RCC roofs, okay. They even used to survive on simple, like on roofs, okay, RCC roofs, which have some sort of dust accumulated on it. Okay, now we need to water both of these glasses. Okay, now we have to wait until our water used to settle down. We have to wait, okay. Okay, then we need to level the media as well. So now you can see that on both glasses we got our water. We don't have so much like sand content in these media. If they have sand, they have huge drainage capability, okay. Sand do not use to hold moisture, okay. Now wait until all the water used to be gone. After some time you will see the water is drained out from the drainage holes which are inside what's called as the glasses, under the glasses. Okay, now we will put our stems inside the media. So we have put one. Now this is the second one. Okay, now you can even place them in sun. Okay, like a sun of like autumn and like winter, but not in the midsummer. Okay, so shade is good. Now after like some days, that is 26th of August 2022, now these are our plants. So you can see that we have the result, a very good result. Okay, you can see a lot of growth on the like on the point from where we have cut down the stems. Now there are 3 more shoots grown, okay, upward. Okay, so we have made it a little bit bushy. Okay, there are also some sort of babies which are grown inside the main mother plant. Okay, now these are our cuttings. Okay, 2 mother of million babies are also there, which are like flown from somewhere else and fallen into the glass. Okay, and now we can see some. Okay, now these are small plantlets, because this chandelier plant have small, always have a lot of like what's called as the plantlet. Okay, on the its outer edges of the leaves. Okay, now you can see there are 2 shoots from this point, from the upper point of the second cutting. There are 2 shoots, 2 more shoots. Now you can see it properly. I have shown you, and this one also. Now we will take it out. You can see the root development, although in like 3 weeks the roots are not so much like we are not saying that this is a very like very much growth. Okay, but still it is okay. Some plants used to grow a little bit slow. Okay, they used to produce roots a little bit slow. Okay, so you should have to wait. Now we are taking our second plant, and its roots are a little bit okay. Okay, it is having a lot of roots. Okay, so okay, let me wash it out. Okay, now after washing, you can see the roots are very like whitish and good looking. And let me wash the second one as well. Okay, now this one, and you can see the roots. Although the roots are small, yet good looking. Okay, hopefully these plants will survive. I will put it again, okay, in the disposable glasses. Okay, after taking the picture for thumbnail. So thanks for visiting our channel.